In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove blemish from an image. So this is the image we want to remove the blemish. First, go to the magnetic lasso tool. Make selection around the area you want to remove the blemish, the pimple. Select the face. In this case, we are going to remove the pimple from the face and other blemish. So make selection, rough selection around the face. Make sure all the blemish side is covered in your selection. After making your selection, go to select and mask. Click on the select and mask. Enable the smart radius. Increase the radius to 2 pixels. Go to the output. Select new layer with layer mask and click OK. Enable the original layer. Click on your first layer. Go to filter, blur and surface blur. Increase the radius to 19 and the threshold to 10. So we'll view our image. We can also increase the radius again to 20 and the threshold to 11. Then click OK. Then go to your spot healing brush. Select spot healing brush tool. Then click on all the spots one by one. Take your time and click on all the spots. Make sure you take your time. Click all the spots one by one. I'm going to do it a little bit fast, but just follow the procedure. Click on the spots to remove all the spots. So continue like this until all the spots are removed. You can zoom the image to see it very clear. So you can see that all our spots are removed depending on the image you are working with. So if you view the image, you see that there is no more spots. So when you check the original image, you see what we have gotten. So that's it, guys. This is how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.